Hello, welcome to the lesson. This is Devendra Veligandla from SharePointJourney.com. In this video, we'll talk about creating custom list in SharePoint 2010 using content types, which in turn uses the side columns. What is a side column? A side column is a reusable column definition or a template which can be used in different lists or library. And what are the content types? Content types are used to manage different types of metadata. Metadata is all about the data. For example, whenever you start working with a new project, you need to ask the client what type of data or different data types you are maintaining or want to maintain in future. That data may be, for example, sales documents, finance documents, or project proposals, etc. These are all different kinds of data. To maintain all these data, we need to create content types. In this example, we are going to talk about one of the client application, like how the tickets will be raised and how that data will be maintained in a SharePoint list. So we'll quickly go and open the SharePoint site. Here what we will do is we'll create the side columns first, then we'll use those side columns to create the content type. Later we will associate the content type with the list. So to create the columns, I'll go to Site Actions, Site Settings. Under Galleries, you can see this Site Columns option. I click on that Site Columns and it will open the option to create. Here we have create option to create a new site column. Click on that. As I mentioned, we'll maintain the ticket details, so I'll create a column called ticket number, which will be of data type number. Whenever you create a column, you can group those columns into a particular group. So I'll create a new group called ticket details, and I want this one to be mandatory, and click OK. If I go to the particular group ticket details, now I can see the ticket number has been created. Now I'm going to create a column, description column, which is of ticket description, and which will be a multiple lines of text, and I'll associate to the group of ticket details. This also I'll keep it as mandatory, and I want to create a couple more columns. One more is priority, column, which will decide what is the priority of that particular ticket, which will be a choice field, and the group is ticket details, and different options are P1, P2, P3, P4, and I'm not keeping anything as default. Click OK. Okay, I'll make it as it's already there, so I'll use the suffix ticket priority. It seems like out of box we have already one priority column in place. Okay, now I'm going to create one more column called ticket assign to. This will be a person or group type, and assigning to ticket details group. This is also required. Click OK. Now if I go and check this group, I have 4 side columns which has been created. One of person or group type, multiple lines of text, other one is number, other one is choice. Now we have a different side columns where we can have different type of data. Now we have to group all these side columns to a content type. So to create a content type, go to site actions again, site settings. Under galleries you have one more option called site content types. Click on that. Now click on create to create new site content type. I'm going to say this name is ticket details content type. The description I'm giving the same. You can change it according to your requirement. Here I am inheriting the content type from list content types, and the content type I'm inheriting here is item. So here also you can create a new group. Let's call that one as ticket details. Click OK. Now we have created the content type which is inherited from the item content type. Here we have few options. Either we can add the side columns which has been already created, or you can create new columns as well. We have already have list of side columns which has been created, so we'll simply add here. Go ahead and click add from existing side columns. Select the group of the side columns belongs to, here in case ticket details, and choose all the columns which you have created. Click on add. Now all the columns has been added. Click OK. Now here you can see all the columns has been added to this content type, and we don't require this title to be appear when we use in list. So what I'll do is I'll hide this. So if you click on the title, you can see the hidden option. This will not appear in all forms, so select the hidden option, click OK. Now you can see this status here, it has been hidden. Now we have content type in place. Now we need to create our list so that we can attach this content type to the custom list. For our example, I'm going to create a list type called content types. To do that, go to all site content, click on create. Now I'll choose the custom list option, which will be coming up here. Select the list filter and choose the custom list. I'll call the list name as ticket details. Click create to create. By default, any list you create, you will have one column called title, because I'll tell you what. First go to the list settings, and here I can see, as I said, title column is already available. From where this title column is coming from, we'll check in a while. Just a second. We'll go to the advanced settings, and we will enable to allow the management of content types for this list. Once you enable it, you see here the change. Earlier we don't see any content type details, but now we were able to see the content type details. So by default, this list is using item content type, and that item content type is having the title column. You can see the difference here, used in item content type. So now I'm going to add the existing site content type which you have created, that is ticket details CT. To do that, I'll just click on the ticket details content type group. We have one content type, that is ticket details content type. Click on add. Now we have two content types for this particular list. So that means when you select one content type, you can enter one type of data. When you select item content type, you can enter another type of data. We'll see that now. Go to the ticket details, click on items here. If you see here, the default one is item, and the other one which you have added is ticket details. Let me click on item. So here it will show only the title which is associated with that content type. And if I go ahead, click on the ticket details VT, I'll be seeing these 4 columns: ticket assigned to, ticket description, ticket number, ticket priority. Okay, so what I'll do is, I want only one content type which I have created, so I change the order and the default content type by clicking on this button. I'll deselect this. We have only one content type, so no need to change the order. Now the default content type will be the ticket details content type, and I want to change few fields in all items view. To do that, click on all items. I don't want the title to be linked because I'm not using it. I want only the ticket assigned to, ticket description, ticket number, ticket priority. I'll make ticket number would be the first column, ticket description will be the second, ticket assigned to will be the third, ticket priority will be the fourth. Okay, I click OK. Now our view is ready. You can see ticket number, ticket description, ticket assigned to, ticket priority. If we go to items here, I can see the only one ticket details content type. So just click on add new item. Let's assign to administrator. Let's say ticket description as search functionality is not showing PDF files for search results ideally. Something like search results are not showing the PDF. This makes sense. And ticket number, I'll say 1 2 3 4, and the priority is P3. Okay, click save, and the data has been added here. So in this session we have seen how to create aside columns, content types, and using those content types how we have attached to the custom list. And thanks for your time. See you in next lesson.